The new Range Rover Sport, sporting luxury with attitude. Its dramatic proportions and unmistakable profile make for an imposing presence. A vehicle where modernity and refinement meet visceral desire. Design-enabling technologies such as flush glazing enhance its precise, clean lines and aerodynamic performance. Sophisticated and dynamic, Range Rover Sport's cockpit-like driving position sets the tone for a focused, modernist interior. The sculpted seating provides exceptional comfort and stability, and commanding vision. Technical contemporary materials and our latest intuitive Pivi Pro infotainment system, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, create a sense of modern luxury. Cabin Air Purification Pro keeps the cabin cleaner than ever with PM 2.5 filtration and Nano-X ionization technology. Powerful Meridian signature sound delivers high-fidelity playback using up to 29 speakers. Next-generation active noise cancellation technology cancels out unwanted noise. Digital LED headlights provide brilliant visibility with a range of up to 500 meters, each using 1.3 million digital micromirrors to precisely tailor the beam pattern and maximize light on the road. The new Range Rover Sport is defined by powerful electric performance. The 510 PS extended range electric hybrid has a total real-world range of up to 740 kilometers or 460 miles and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.4 seconds or 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds, combining efficiency with thrilling performance. A 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 delivers 530 PS and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds. In addition, a choice of efficiency-enhancing 48-volt mild hybrid MHEV 6-cylinder Ingenium engines are available. The optional Stormer handling pack sharpens your drive with a suite of the latest chassis technologies. Dynamic air suspension uses twin air chambers to seamlessly switch from relaxed cruising to a firm control of pitch and roll in hard acceleration or braking. While Dynamic Response Pro minimizes body roll for flatter cornering and greater stability. All-wheel steering turns the rear wheels by up to 7.3 degrees. For agile maneuvering and responsive overtaking, torque vectoring by braking automatically brakes inside wheels into a corner, assisting turn-in. Adaptive dynamics is fitted to every new Range Rover Sport, with twin-valve monotube dampers continually managing your connection to the road. A new dynamic mode delivers a more assertive driving character by focusing engine, gear shift, steering, and suspension response. Terrain Response 2 intelligently detects and applies the most appropriate vehicle settings for the conditions, ensuring customary Land Rover capability. Intelligent all-wheel drive delivers precisely the right torque to individual wheels as you need it, continuously adapting to the terrain and available traction. The world's first adaptive off-road cruise control automatically senses the terrain and fine-tunes your speed for optimum traction and control. New Range Rover Sport is a seamless blend of dynamic sporting performance and Range Rover modern luxury and refinement. Assertive and commanding over any terrain, it's the most dynamic and capable Range Rover Sport ever.